Hello everyone, welcome back to Gist of Maths. Today we are going to continue about the story problem on HCF and LCM. You can check out the other videos on story problem by clicking on the I button or the link that are given below in the description box. So without any delay, let's get started. So the number one problem is Minu purchased 2 bags of rice of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the rice exact number of times. As the question is about finding of the maximum value of weight, so the maximum value of weight is equals to HCF of 75 and 69. That is 3 kg. So the maximum weight is 3 kg which can measure the weight of rice exact number of times. Okay. Now come to example number 2. The capacity of 2 pots is 120 liter and 56 liter respectively. Find the capacity of a container which can exactly measure the contents of 2 pots. So the capacity of container is equals to HCF of 120 and 56 liter. That is the 8 liter. So the capacity of container is 8 liter which can exactly measure the contents of the 2 pots. Okay. Now come to example number 3. A person has to completely put each of 3 liquids, that is 403 liters of petrol, 465 liters of diesel and 496 liters of mobile oil in bottles of equal size without mixing any of the above liquids such that each bottle is completely filled. What is the least possible number of bottles required? So the capacity of each bottle should be maximum for the least number of bottle. So the capacity of each bottles equals to HCF of these 3 numbers, that is 403, 465 and 496. The HCF of these 3 numbers equals to 31 liters and the number of bottles equals to the total quantity of liquids, that is 403 plus 465 plus 496 divided by the capacity of each bottles, that is 31 liter. So the number of bottles is 44. Okay. Now example number 4. Traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after 48 seconds, 50 seconds, 72 seconds respectively. At what time will they change together again if they change simultaneously at 9 am? So the time is the LCM of 48, 50 and 72 seconds, that is equals to 3600 seconds, which is 1 hour. So we need to add this 1 hour with 9 am as they change simultaneously at 9 am. That is the time is 9 am plus 1 hour equals to 10 am. So at 10 am they will change together again. Okay. And now come to example number 5. 6 bell commence tolling together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? The bells will toll together after the time which is the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 seconds. That is equals to 120 seconds which means 2 minutes. Okay. In 30 minutes they will toll together, that is 30 divided by 2 which is these 2 minutes, and we need to add plus 1 with it, as after tolling the last bell there will be also an interval. So that is why we add this plus 1, that is 15 plus 1 equals to 16 times. So in 30 minutes 16 times they toll together. Okay. Now come to example number 6. A rectangular courtyard 378 cm long and 525 cm wide is to be paved exactly with square tiles, all of the same size. What is the larger size of the tile which could be used for the purpose? Okay. The length of the courtyard equals to 378 centimeter and the breadth of the courtyard equals to 525 centimeter. The largest size of the tiles equals to the HCF of 378 and 525 centimeter. So the HCF of 378 and 525 equals to 21. So the largest size of tile is 21 centimeter. Come to example number 7. The least number of square tiles required to pave the ceiling of a room 1517 cm long and 902 cm broad is. The size of the tile must be maximum for the least number of tiles. The maximum size of the tile is equals to HCF of 1517 and 902 cm. So the HCF is 41. Now the number of tiles equals to the area of the room divided by the HCF square. So the area of the room equals to length into breadth, that is 1517 into 902 divided by the HCF square, that is 41 square. That is equals to 814. That is number of tiles equals to 814. Okay. So today up to this guys, in the next video I will be discussing about a new topic, fraction. If you have any doubt about this video, please let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you.